we are playing Minecraft, and today we are surviving on a boat. So let's start. So guys, it's already night time. So let's go to sleep first. And my hearts are also down, and my weight is also grown. We are now sleeping. We are now sleeping. Now let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, not up. We have to first break this wheat. Yes. Okay. Okay. Everything is okay. Oh, have to not. Guys, this is head jump. That's why these wheats are not breaking, and that's a good point. Guys, our target is I have told in the last part. I also told that our target is to make a 16 floor building, and our trees are grown, and now I'm going to now my guys, the first tree is not still grown, and now let's go. Here are my saplings. Where is my wooden axe? Guys, in every time my axe is gone. Is it in my inventory? No, my axe is gone. Oh, yeah, guys. My axe was gone. Guys, yeah. I have now this much because my axe is gone. So I will show you something I have done. Yeah, so guys, I will show you. Yeah, you can see it from here. A cobblestone generator. A cobblestone generator. You would be knowing I've cheated. That how it is on dirt. Vines are not even dirt on dirt. But this is a boat survival. That's why it is on the dirt. Because it's in the air. Okay. Don't just do it. Guys, my hearts are low. I have to make. Guys, we don't need a plenty of food. When this map creator gave me is who has made this map, which I was saying what how will I get food if I am going to survive only on this boat. And when I then went down and then I saw a wheat farm, so that's I understood. And the last floor, I went to the last floor, and then I saw crafting table. There was not, but this was here. This entrance to the gate. Guys, in this 1.414 version, glass takes time to break. That's not possible. In all the versions I have played, that is no more. We could break glass in 1 second. And now, these have become fast. And these, oh no, I just broke one of them. No worries. Okay, let's keep it in this chest. And we have 1 stick, 2 fences. Guys, 3 sticks. And this. So I am going to craft a pickaxe. So guys, let's start. Okay, guys. Calm down. Oh no! Guys, yeah. When I was making a cobblestone generator, by mistakenly lava fell down here and this made a full stone. So this is my... Oh, drowned. Please don't kill me. I'm having a lot of precious things. That much precious. So, yeah. We can get wood. That's a full biome, but we can't go there because there are barrier blocks. I tried to went till there. We can only survive in the sea. And when that in the first episode we respawned there because there was a skip, but we destroyed it and the map creator gave us again that chance to make the world. So we spawned here. That was a full sea, and then it became dirt. Game lagged and it became dirt. So that's why we spawned there. and then I have to travel 5,000 blocks away, and then we got this area. Yeah, so much of talking, and let's go to mine cobblestone because we have to make an axe, an axe, and this water is floating backside, and even guys see. Guys, our target is to make that 16 floor building. This is what I'm telling in this episode, third time. Oh no! My everything is gone, guys. Where I shall go? Oh no, my axe is there. My axe is there. Thank God. Thank goodness. But my XP is gone. I have to kill again these salmons. Guys, can you please comment down below in when I ended my last episode of Minecraft survival series, how much level was I having? Just comment down. And if you have not seen this, then go and see my finally I made a farm, and that's the last part of that. I'm making a route till here. Now we don't have to jam. Means nothing. It's of no use. Oh, this middle one. Oh, every is grown. Go. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. Very sorry. I would be having. Now we are going to today make a first floor of our Maroon, and our 13 floors are already only left, and I lost my also even all wood. How yeah, guys, thank goodness that there was some of these wood. Okay, now we are going to craft stick, and then we are going to craft a wooden axe. Guys, I have axe, stone axe. Yeah. The all vines are broken or what? But where they have gone? No idea. Yeah. So let's go. Guys, we are having a lot of samplings actually. We don't need to gather samplings. This is a big tree. Guys, in total I am having now 14 pieces of wood. Oh, I just fall off the edge. Guys, this is our island now. Just kidding. Guys, it's a good way that I made it in creative. This happened. So now I can easily go till here, till the cobblestone generator. And no voice. I just forgot. Oh, one sapling. Thank you. 2 sapling. There you go. You gave me sapling so early. You are good to me. I just make thousands of food. Means not even a stack of food it is. But guys, I will think. Oh, guys, we are breaking these fences. Now we don't need any more fences. But guys, I'm thinking of when by mistakenly our wheat farm is, our seeds are over. Okay guys, yes, I by mistakenly broke this. There would be a villager. I will trade these fences and he will give me wood. Just kidding. I don't make these type of exchanges. Villagers are only for trading. Okay guys. Yeah, so we have done this for suffocating, not suffocating. So guys, we are going to make only two level, only one level. Okay, that's okay. Oh, I fall off the edge. It's okay, guys. Okay, where is my tunnel? Tunnel. I don't want to go from here. I have to go from here, or else I can't. Now till these trees are not grown, now nobody can come to the ladders even. And this middle tree, I'm giving you a sapling. Oh no! Give me your XP back. You took all my XP. Thank you. Yeah. So let's go and sleep, guys, first, or else these monsters will come and kill us. So here is the bed. Bye bye, wheat farms. Good night. Good morning, wheat farms. Okay. We were building here. Okay, guys. Oh no, guys, what to do? I'm falling again and again off the edge. Now we are not going to make a terrace. Oh, guys, I'm having 27 fences. The map creator already has 27 fences. It was given in the description that this would be over. When this would be over. Yeah, so guys, we are building. Thank goodness that the ladder was straight here. Why build a dirt ladder? Yeah, so guys, why he have made this dirt ladders? Dirt ladders are not that much good. We are building first floor of our room. Guys, we are out of wood. We can't make this house. Terrace. And I can't even make it to one block area. So only dogs can live there. But I'm not going to make that. What? Yeah. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Now I will put a door. Because now we have to climb ladders and then we have to come here. And now how will I go there? So I have to make a door. Thank you. Why not any tree is growing? I think I have to keep these fresh. Guys, I put it fresh saplings. I think this will not grow. So I am going to break this dirt. Okay, there were two dots. No problem. I will break this. Thank you, and thank you. You are so great. You saved me from falling down. Yes, let's go. We have lost our cobblestone. What to do? Guys, I think I will break this area now. Pickaxe. Okay. Where is our pickaxe? I will break this stone area later. Oh no, we were sprinting. This was not a time to sprint. Okay. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Yeah, so where is our wooden pickaxe, guys, first? Okay. I need 5 more. Guys, I am making a stone pickaxe. Everything is everything over. I am making a stone pickaxe. This works so slow, I can't even tell. Yeah. Now I'm making stone pickaxe. I need a stone pickaxe early as I can. Give me stone pickaxe, thank you. Now, yeah, guys. Let's break. Guys, what if I didn't keep any blocks? Then we would fall down every second. Oh no, 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 I don't want to die. My block. Full stone area, you are gone. Thank you, lava, because you made the stone area. Oh, drowned. Drowned. I was waiting for you. What? Or what? I'm going. You are killing me. Guys, even drowned can come climb these waterfalls also. Waterfall. Guys, there is one thing only missing. It has ponds, lakes, rivers, everything. But where is a waterfall? Means waterfalls are there in Realms. They are like Spawn of Mojang, which was I was playing only 2 parts. So that they see that, guys. He can climb waterfalls. Oh, thank you. Very. What? A last piece of something it gave me. Okay, guys. I have to make a stone sword. Now come, you monsters. Guys, I'm out of food. Where is my 7? Okay. Oh no, no, no. I don't want to die. See, guys, he was almost climbed. But these 1 blocks were trying to climb. You silly! I'm going to kill you now. Where is my? First, I have to take my things. Then I will go. Then you are going to be killed. Where is my things? Where is my things? You just killed me on the waterfall. I will remember this thing forever. A drowned killed me. Only in 1 shot. There is my saplings. Thank goodness that my saplings are not gone. Or else we wouldn't have any sapling. Guys, what? These are growing. It would be a good idea for us. If this will grow, we can buy directly go to here. Guys, if would be we are doing. Yeah, guys, gravel we can found. Yeah, gravel is there. Yes, guys. Now we will make 1 gravel makes 2 coasters. Then we will have. Then we have to hoe it. We have to hoe it, and then it will make. This is an easy type, guys. But none of them are. Yeah, so guys, what I was doing, my cobblestone, my pickaxe is also lost. How will I do now? Anything. Thank goodness I was having these. I will make a lot of sticks, and then I have to. Guys, then now this time I will. Where is my? Guys, how will I mine now? I have taken this all to final way. Guys, I am keeping this season because I am killed every time. You 10, you fence. You are coming with me. Button and this. You are coming with me. And anything else? No. Wooden axe. I also lost my wooden axe. Okay, 1 tree grew. I sorry we can't make this float this in this video. 19 minutes are already done, guys. We have wasted our time. Guys, it's growing down. See, it's growing down. And guys, the sun is also setting. We have to go before. Creeper, don't come, please. You can explore. Enjoy there. Enjoy there. Enjoy there. I don't want to mess with you, Creeper. You go, boys. Because you are so silly. Oh, we found a second wood. Let's run away. Oh, no. Okay. Guys, let's sleep before they come. Guys, let's sleep before they come. Before they come. You will not stressed out. Please. Oh, no. Yeah. Come, Drowns, come. I'm waiting for you. Huh? They would be burning to death. But I don't think they have come even up. They have not come up only. So, guys. Okay, guys. So, guys. Okay, first we will make this and end this video fast because it's already 20 minutes video. 20 minutes are done? Yeah. So guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you back into the next video. Till then, bye bye. Before guys this video ends, I will keep you this all things or this will result. So bye bye.